Today we are basically doing the chapter class 9 chapter 4. Now what is the chapter name? Linear equation. Equations in two variables. Now in this line we get that the word called equation. Equations mean the right side is 0. Now this is two variables. Two variables. Clear? Now these two things are necessary for that. Again, now if we consider a point, how can we write that the coordinate? X comma y. That is x first, then y. Another way we can tell that for every value of x there is a value of y. Clear? And third thing, over there they have written the word called linear. Now when we study with the polynomial, we know that what is linear. Linear means the degree of a polynomial is 1. The degree of a polynomial, the degree of a polynomial is 1. That is x to the power 1. Clear? X to the power 1. So that my equation is, so my linear equation is ax plus b is equal to 0, where a is coefficient and b is constant. Is it clear that b is constant? Why it is linear? Because ax plus b, this power is 1. That is the whole number. That is the whole number. And why it is polynomial? Because it is separated by the term. Why polynomial? Separated by plus. Now, but the chapter is linear equation with two variables. The chapter is linear equation with two variables. So what we have that now we know that linear equation is in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0. It is single variable. But if we write it in the form of that ax plus 0 into y plus b is equal to 0, then it is two variable. It is two variable. So we can write this equation also in this form. But how we write the general form? That is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the linear equation of two variable. This is the linear equation of two variables. Now, if we start that question number 1 of exercise, now we go to the exercise 1. This is exercise 1. Exercise 4.1. Clear? Now question number 1. They have said that cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So when these things are coming, what are the variable? The cost of notebook and the cost of pen. Now, which one is the least? Pen is the least. So, this is y. Clear? And cost of a notebook is x. But as per condition, the cost of a notebook, that is rupees x, is twice of the cost of a pen. So that is x is equal to 2y. Now comparing with the standard form of linear equation with two variables. What is that? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now this one, x minus 2y plus 0 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line. Write the linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. So this is the represent in statement. Is it clear that? Now the question number 2. What they have said that express the following equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate a, b, c. Now I have started with the question number 2, last one. That is 5 is equal to 2x. So how can we write that? 2x minus 0 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Now what is a? A is equal to 2, b is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 5. Is it clear that? Question number 7. Question number 7. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. So how can we write that? 0 into x plus 1 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 2. Now we go to that question number 6. 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now how we write that? 3x plus 0 into y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now what is that? A is equal to 3, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 2. Now 5. 2x minus 5y is equal to 0. Sorry, 2x is equal to minus 5y. So we can write that 2x plus 5y plus 0 is equal to 0. So that a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 0. Okay. Now the question is given 1. Two x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 dash. Dash means it is a 2x plus 3y minus, so a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 3.5. Now the second one is important that. Now what is written over there? X minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. So all these things are given, but we have to do that. There is a no fraction on the linear. So what will do that first? 5. This is 5x minus y is equal to 0. Now 5x minus y minus 50 is equal to 0. Then we can write that a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 50. So this is for the exam purpose. This is for the exam purpose. Now we go for the question number 3. What they have given? Minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. It is minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Then a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 6. And the last one is 4. They have given x is equal to 3y. So the x minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. And a is equal to 1. B is equal to minus 3, C is equal to 0. So this is all about the exercise 4.1.